Now, as for ancestors, if if I would if Panic dies, my body, number one, stays on Earth. Number two, now goes to the astral world, and the cord is now broken. So that cord is now broke. The cord that was in coming from my solar plexus that I used to go to the astral world and come back now is broke because there's no body to come back to. So now my spirit lives in the astral world. If my soul fell to earth, then my spirit and my soul now lives in the astral world. And there's where I can make the choice to go here, or if I didn't get what I needed on earth because I was fucking around arguing about it's a distraction, they smacked them, and not decoding everything as a scientist. Here you go, you're coming back. Now, let's say we were the Dogon people, right? And all of these people have this system and they die. This is happening for year after year after year after year after year. Because they lived in such a synchronicity, a mind synchronicity, and I talked about this before, and they had their definition of heaven in the afterlife and what the astral world was. When they died, these people are networked because of their mindset. And the new guy, the new Dogon guy, Panic, who's saying, I need to know what Snickers are. You have a whole network of consciousness in the astral world. Not people who's ready to help you like you think you're talking to humans. It is Panic who died, whose signature that you guys know as my personality exists. But I'm not looking for you. You have to light that candle. You have to put that picture up. You have to make steps towards my energy that exists here, even though my soul has moved on. My astral body, my spirit body still exists in the astral world and can be accessed by people on earth, though I'm over here chilling. Or my soul may have went back into another body named Sherman. So Sherman's walking around, and Sherman in his last life was Brother Panic. But Brother Panic still could be accessed through the astral world. And as long as I'm remembered, my energy could be accessed. So your ancestors are here, but they're not just chilling. Some of them, because it says God protects dummies and babies, have a protection because they can't protect themselves.